Hello everybody, my name is Inés and I work at the Instituto de Física de Cantabria. In this video, I'm going to give you a short demo of Fair Eva, which is the tool we developed for evaluating the fairness of datasets within UCAIM. I will show you what the tool does and how to use it. Fair Eva validates metadata by testing it against RDA indicators, which cover the four FAIR principles: findability, accessibility, interoperability, and reusability. The tool can be used in two ways: through the web client, which is more visual and interactive, and through the CLA client, which is used mainly for the batch valuation. In both cases, the Fair Eva service must be running first. I will start with the web interface since it's more intuitive for a first look. After using these two commands on screen, we'll be able to use the web interface. This is the main page. Here, the user enters the ID and selects the RDF evaluation mode. Right now, we provide two schema options. The legacy schema, this matches the current structure of the RDF exposed in the UCAIM catalog, and the new schema. This one follows the Word Package 5 vocabulary, but it is not yet used in the catalog. For this demo, we will choose the legacy schema and insert the dataset ID. The evaluation takes around 30 seconds, so I have sped up this part right here. Okay, so these are the results we get for this ID. We see that it is a tier 1, according to the RDA's requirements that we established. When I press the Show Details button, I get a lot more information about the different indicators. And here we can see a bit of a summary of what it is going on in each of the RDAs. Then we can go into a lot more detail pressing the plus buttons. In all of the RDA indicators, we will receive information about, first, the indicator assessment, the technical implementation, and the technical feedback. And in some of them, like this one right here, we will even get some tips. At the end of the page, there is also the option for downloading a PDF with the results obtained. Now let's move on to the CLI version. Again, remember that the Fair Eva service must be running before executing any command. And then you have to pull the Docker image of the command line client. We developed a batch runner so that evaluations can be executed automatically every night. Several parameters can be passed, such as the API root, which is the base of the catalog RDF, out, which is the directory where the output files will be generated, UCAIM old, which runs the evaluation using the legacy schema we talked about before, and the host, and limit, which limits the number of datasets to evaluate. The script will run through all the catalog and check if any dataset has been updated since it was last ran. If not, then it will skip through all of them. Let's imagine the case a new dataset was added. And let's execute the tool again. The tool detects a dataset from the catalog is missing, so it analyzes it. Let's now imagine a different case. A dataset is not updated, so to make that happen, we change the date up here and we run it again. And we see the program detects something is missing again. Great. Now let's go to how the results are delivered. First, a text file is created for each of the datasets. In case the dataset is not updated, a new text file is created without deleting the old file. We see the results here, which are all the RDA indicators and the tier the dataset belongs to. And then we have a CSV file with all the results of all the datasets. In this case, when a dataset is updated, the new data takes the place of the old data. And lastly, for the line command client, there is also the option of testing a single dataset by running this command right here. Well, I hope this demo was easy to follow, and please, if you have any doubts, contact me through this email on screen. Have a good day.